Imagine stepping into your garden, not just to admire the flowers, but to pluck a ripe tomato for your salad or snip fresh herbs for your evening meal. This is the magic of edible landscaping, where the lines between ornamental and edible blur, transforming your garden into a source of both beauty and nourishment. Edible landscaping is about more than just growing your own food. It's about creating a sustainable and vibrant ecosystem that engages all your senses. The benefits of an edible landscape extend far beyond the dinner table. By growing your own food, you reduce your reliance on grocery stores, minimizing your carbon footprint and ensuring the freshest, most flavorful ingredients. An edible garden also attracts beneficial insects and pollinators, contributing to a healthier environment. Moreover, the act of gardening itself is incredibly therapeutic, providing a welcome respite from the stresses of daily life. But perhaps the most compelling reason to embrace edible landscaping is the sheer joy it brings. There's an undeniable satisfaction in harvesting your own food, knowing that you nurtured it from seed to plate. An edible garden becomes a source of pride, a testament to your connection with nature and your ability to provide for yourself and your loved ones. Creating a successful edible landscape requires careful planning and design. Before you even pick up a trowel, take some time to assess your site. How much sunlight does it receive? What type of soil do you have? What are the prevailing wind patterns? These factors will influence the types of plants that will thrive in your garden. Next, consider your needs and preferences. What do you enjoy eating? Are you looking for a low-maintenance garden, or are you willing to invest more time and effort? Once you have a clear picture of your vision, you can start sketching out a design. Think about the layout of your garden beds, pathways, and seating areas. Consider incorporating vertical elements such as trellises or raised beds to maximize space and add visual interest. When selecting plants, opt for a diversity of species to ensure a continuous harvest throughout the growing season. Choose varieties that are well suited to your climate and soil type. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors, textures, and heights to create a visually appealing and dynamic landscape. Remember, your edible garden should be a reflection of your personal style and taste. The beauty of edible landscaping lies in the endless possibilities for incorporating a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, and herbs into your garden. Fruit trees, with their showy blossoms and bountiful harvests, can serve as stunning focal points. Imagine the sweet fragrance of apple blossoms in the spring, followed by the juicy fruits in the autumn. Vegetables, with their diverse shapes, sizes, and colors, offer endless opportunities for creativity. Plant rows of vibrant lettuce, ruby red tomatoes, and deep green spinach for a visually stunning and productive garden. Don't forget about root vegetables like carrots and potatoes, which can be tucked away in hidden corners. Herbs, with their intoxicating aromas and culinary versatility, are essential elements in any edible landscape. Plant fragrant basil, rosemary, and thyme along pathways where their scents will be released as you brush past. Incorporate low-growing herbs like oregano and thyme as ground covers, adding texture and suppressing weeds. Section 4. Painting with nature's palette. Aesthetics in the edible garden. Edible landscaping is not just about practicality, it's also about creating a space that is visually appealing and aesthetically pleasing. Think of your garden as a blank canvas and the plants as your paints. By carefully considering color, texture, and arrangement, you can create a masterpiece that is both beautiful and functional. Use color to create focal points and add visual interest. Plant vibrant Swiss chard with its rainbow of stem colors, or intersperse bright nasturtiums among your vegetables. Consider the changing colors of foliage throughout the seasons, opting for plants that will provide autumn hues. Texture adds depth and dimension to your garden. Combine plants with different leaf shapes and sizes, such as feathery dill, broad-leaved kale, and spiky rosemary. Incorporate plants with contrasting textures, like the smooth leaves of spinach against the rough texture of artichokes. Section 5. Nurturing your Eden. Maintenance and sustainability. Maintaining an edible landscape requires a different approach than a traditional ornamental garden. Regular weeding is essential to prevent competition for nutrients and water. Mulching around your plants helps to suppress weeds, retain moisture, and regulate soil temperature. Watering deeply and infrequently encourages strong root development and drought tolerance. Sustainability is key to a thriving edible landscape. Composting your kitchen scraps and yard waste provides a nutrient-rich fertilizer for your plants. Practicing crop rotation helps to prevent soil-borne diseases and maintain soil fertility. Attracting beneficial insects such as ladybugs and lacewings helps to control pests naturally, reducing the need for pesticides. By adopting sustainable gardening practices, you not only create a healthier environment for your plants, but also contribute to the overall health of the planet.